S T U V W X Y Z. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, purple color, pink color, brown color. S for saw. S for snake. S is for snacks, but don't eat too much. T for tree. T for train. T is for toes, they tickle when you touch. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U is for uncle, he's thin as a bean. V for vacuum. V for violin. V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean. W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe, X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.